nobody paying attention to the price of toilet tissue. What the? $14.99 for 6 rolls. Parts on top of parts on top of parts on top of parts just to restore this AC inside my Chevy S10. All my parts for my AC from O'Reilly Auto Parts to do the complete AC setup inside my 1993 Chevy S10 4.3 liter engine. Well, good morning. I'm on 78. They're redoing the roads, widening them out, putting in new waterways for the extra irrigation and water to go through. And now you're gonna see a little bit of what's going on right here. You got the guy right here on the side with the sign. There you go. And they're chopping down trees with this claw right here on the left. Just about to go grab one right now.